Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Acer Nitro 5 tips and tricks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Here are some Acer Nitro 5 tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your gaming laptop. So first is to use Acer Nitro Sense for better performance and management. The Nitro Sense software is built into the Acer Nitro 5, allowing you to manage system performance and cooling. You can monitor CPU, GPU and fan speeds to keep your system running optimally during game sessions. Number 2 is optimize power settings. If you want better life and more performance, you can adjust your settings by simply going to control panel and then on the search bar simply typing in power options right here, and under it what you need to do is choose high performance for maximum power, but if you want to save the battery, switch to power saver or tweak the settings to balance performance and power consumption. Overclocking for extra power. You can overclock your CPU and GPU for extra performance. MSI Afterburner is a common tool used for overclocking the GPU. Internal Intel Extreme Tuning Utility XTU works well with Intel-based systems. Number 4 is set custom keyboard backlighting. The RGB backlit keyboard on your Nitro 5 can be customized to your preference. Use the Predator Sense software, often pre-installed on your laptop, to change colors, set different effects, or sync the lighting with the game you are playing. You can also adjust the brightness levels to suit your environment or gaming setup. Enhance audio with DTS X Ultra. Acer Nitro 5 comes with DTS X Ultra for virtual sound enhancing and your gaming and media experience. What you need to do is open DTS X Ultra from the start menu. Simply type in DTS X Ultra and select the audio presets and customize your sound settings for better clarity and bass. So these are some of the tips and tricks that you can use on the Acer Nitro 5, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.